still feel all right? I'm gonna ask y'all one more time. Y'all still feel all right? Can I get y'all to sing Rock the Boat with me? All you gotta say is rock the boat, rock the boat, rock the boat, rock the boat. Y'all can do better than that. Rock the boat, rock the boat, rock the boat, rock the boat. I'm gonna need y'all to bring it all the way down. Because these folks in here, they acting shy for some reason. I'm not really sure. I mean, I know they know the song, you know what I'm saying? But if you just kind of, take it down a little bit, we're gonna give them a chance. Here we go. We're gonna try one more time. Can y'all sing this with me one time? Rock the boat, rock the boat. I can actually pinpoint the 3 people that are actually singing. If I need to bring this microphone to every flipping table, don't make me bring the mama out at me, all right? Now, all I need you to say is rock the boat. Can y'all do that with me? Now listen. I might have to get the fellas to do it by themselves because there's representation in here, right? And I feel like, as a woman, as a queen, if I call upon the brothers in the room, they gotta have my back, right? Right, fellas? Thank you, sir. You like the only one that's holding up to the manhood tonight. That's all right. Let's try one more time as a group. Rock the boat, 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 rock the boat. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Where was y'all at 5 minutes ago? Give it up for yourselves, y'all.